How to reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. First of all, open Facebook application and make sure to sign into your account. Then tap on three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap on gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to access settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down and under your activity or under your information select access your information. Now tap on continue button. Then on the search bar you need to type in others people and press enter. So let's delete others and just write other people post to your feed. Or when you just write other people, on the first option only you will be able to find out other people's post to your feed. Open it. And now on this post section you will get all the posts that has been made by other people on your feed or your Facebook timeline. So in order to reply to all birthday wishes on your Facebook timeline, you just have to select the birthday post that has been made by others on your Facebook timeline and just tap on three dots next to that post and now tap on view. Now after that you can easily comment to this birthday wishes made by other people on your Facebook timeline and easily reply to them. And this way you can easily follow other birthday wishes as well and reply to all the birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.